Hello folks, Off-Grid Gary. Today we are working with a 24 volt DC motor. As you can see, it's not real big. I don't have a tape measure in front of me, but I'll lay my thumb across it. I got big hands. You can see it's about thumb thickness with a shaft, crankshaft, and a geared pulley. This came off of a Razor scooter. I do have the controller. I do have all the parts that go to this motor, but I wanted to see if this motor would work. And kind of the whole reasoning behind this, because basically you can put this stuff on a bicycle, you can put this stuff on a lot of stuff. But what I did, I took one of my old Ryobi plug-ins from my old power drill and sawzall, and I cut the wire out of it. And here is an 18.6 volt battery, or 18 volt battery, 4 amp hour. This is a 24 volt motor. This battery, really, to be fair, when it's fully charged, is like 20.2 volts. So what I'm going to do is show you how this motor runs. I'm going to take this plug and hook it to this battery. Worked pretty good. It even knocked my cell phone charger out. And we're back on. As you can see, we broke the wires on this because I wasn't holding it. I'm going to try to prop my fingers on it and we'll do it again, but I'm trying to do it without breaking anything. Yep, I got the battery on wrong. I'll go this way. Now it's running. And it's running off this 18 volt battery, and it doesn't really take any juice. The battery's full charged. It's been full charged. I'll be honest, I've already run this motor probably a couple minutes just on this battery to see how it would work. You can see it runs good. I do have the controller for this motor. I even have the electric potentiometer for this motor. So, you know, this thing was basically a pile of crap. We stripped it apart and it runs and it works fine. So this might go for an e-bike project for one of the boys. We're still not sure yet. But have a good one, and we'll continue this down the road, and whatever we realize we might do or can do with it, we may attempt. It spins better one direction than it does the other, so this tells me this will be the nominal way that it goes. It's much quieter this way as well. And like I say, I may take it apart, clean it, whatever, but either way, this is a good little motor, and it was free. That was the best part, and it came with the controller. I'll even show you the controller that came with it is right here. I don't actually have a 24 volt battery, so I know this controller works, but it takes a 24 volt battery. My battery isn't quite hot enough to run it with the controller. So, but I do have the controller for it as well. Excuse me. But have a great day, and don't forget, anytime you are messing with this kind of stuff, be very careful with it because it can hurt you. You just watched it flip over and fall on the floor, and I got a feeling I may have cracked something in it when I did that. But I'll take it apart, fix it. Either way, it's just a cheap little motor that works really good. Have a great day. Bye.